The mission of CDI is really to attract wonderful talent to this organization and be able to create transformational breakthroughs for childhood disease.
I think one of the main strengths of the CDI is the opportunity to do high reward, high risk research.
I think the CDI helps us recruit the best and the brightest talent to WashU because it's critical to foster these collaborations between the basic scientists and the clinicians.
What we look for in a CDI grant is a great idea, something that's going to have impact on a serious pediatric health problem.
With the funds from the CDI, we took a drug and we applied it to male and female cells, and what we see is that this drug actually works very effectively on male cells, but it doesn't work at all on female cells.
The area of research that we have focused on is understanding stress factors that occur inside the cell and how that results in cell death.
We want to take cells that are readily available, such as cells from the skin, and we want to directly transform those into clinically valuable cell types.
This is the most technologically advanced zebrafish facility in the world. White matter defects are extraordinarily common in premature babies, and so we think if we can understand how myelin is formed, we can better understand how to repair it in these babies.
We're trying to take advanced imaging technologies and help people that wouldn't normally use those technologies to target very complicated questions in human health.
It's allowed us to take an in-depth and probably, I think, unprecedented look of what pediatric heart failure really looks like at the tissue level.
And the CDI is providing support that provides us the ability to help them.
We could not be more grateful to the investors. We're grateful not just for their generosity, but their vision.
This gap between what's possible and what's feasible because of financial resources, this gap has never been so big. The philanthropic organizations like Children Discovery Institute play a special role.
And now when the fresh talent comes through WashU and we're trying to recruit them here, make WashU stronger and really give our research a boost, then funding from the CDI is what helps bring the basic scientists and the clinicians together so we can achieve these goals.
I think as we go into the next phase of CDI, I think we want to continue to broaden the scope of what we look at and look at all science associated with improvement of child health.
It's been 10 fabulous years and we still have a lot of work to do. The best is yet to come, even though we could not be prouder nor more grateful.